A solution to a system of equations is an ordered pair that satisfies all of the equations in the system. And what that means graphically is that the solution to the system is a point on the graph of all of the equations in the system. The graphing method of finding the solution to a system of equations is to graph each one of the equations and then find the ordered pair that is the intersection. We can use our calculator to find that intersection point, or we could graph it by hand to find the intersection point, and then we check our answer algebraically to make sure that we've got the right point. So to graph these equations, let's make note of the fact that both of them are linear, which means that we'll want to write them in y equals mx plus b form or slope-intercept form in order to generate their graphs. So let's start with x minus y is equal to 3. To solve for y, we'll subtract x from both sides, and then divide both sides by -1 to get y is equal to positive x minus 3. Now let's solve our second equation for y to get it into slope-intercept form. So we have minus 3x plus y is equal to positive 1. We'll add 3x to both sides to solve for y and get y is equal to 3x plus 1. So to graph this first equation, we start with the y-intercept at -3, and we have a slope of positive 1. So we go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, and then connect the dots with this line. Next, we'll graph the second line, which means we need to start at the y-intercept of positive 1 and then go up 3, right 1. Up 2, 3, right 1 is moving us kind of away from the blue line, and since we're looking for their intersection point, it might be better to go down 2, 3 and left 1 to find that point of intersection. So down 2, 3, left 1 again, and it seems like our ordered pair solution could be at the ordered pair -2, -5. But we do need to verify this ordered pair by plugging it back into each of the original equations in the system to make sure that we've got our answer correct. So we'll start with the first equation, which is x minus y is equal to 3. Plugging in -2 for x and -5 for y, we evaluate this to get -2 plus 5, which does equal to 3, and so our point is an ordered pair solution to the first equation. Now let's check it in the second equation, plug -2 in for x and -5 in for y. Now we evaluate to get positive 6 minus 5, and this does equal to 1, so our ordered pair is a solution to the second equation. And we'll say, therefore, -2, -5 is the solution to the system because it's the point that is on both of the lines, essentially the intersection point.